Hello students, Happy New Year. Today I am going to discuss about the project assignment of term 2. So at first you have to cover your project file neatly in this way. You have to write session 2020-21 here. Then you have to write your name, class, section, roll number, and in the space for subject you have to write project assignment. Then on the first page of your project copy you have to write term 2 project assignment. The second page will be dedicated for acknowledgement. Here you have to write your name, class, section, roll number and date, and on the bottom of this page you have to leave a space for teacher's signature. The third page will be dedicated for index, where there will be 6 columns. The first one will be dedicated for serial number. The second column you will write date. On the third column you will write subject. The fourth column will be used for topic. The fifth column you will write page number in it, and the sixth column you will leave space for teacher's signature. Students, you must remember that whatever the subject sequence is written here, you have to maintain this subject sequence while writing in your project copy. Now I'm going to discuss your projects. The first project is English. The topic of this project is diary writing. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. In the poem Life, we get the same idea. Suppose you have gone for a trip to Ladakh from West Bengal. Make a diary entry where you will explain one of your tough days, which will end with positive thinking, and paste a relevant picture on the left side of your project copy. Your Bengali project will be তোমাদের পাঠ্য বই নবযুগ সাহিত্যে তোমরা ম্যাথর কবিতাটি পড়েছো ও জেনেছো যে ম্যাথর আমাদের সামাজিক বন্ধু, তারা আমাদের প্রতিনিয়ত সেবা করে চলেছে। এমনই অন্য কোনো সামাজিক বন্ধু যে আমাদের সেবা করে তার সম্পর্কে 100 থেকে 120টি শব্দে একটি অনুচ্ছেদ লেখো ও বাঁদিকে তার একটি ছবি আঁকো বা আটকাও। Now I am coming to your Hindi project. नानी और अरुणी पाठ में बच्चों को अनुशासित, कर्तव्यनिष्ठ तथा आज्ञाकारी बनने की प्रेरणा दी गई है। वर्तमान समय में बच्चों में इन गुणों का होना कितना आवश्यक है, इस बात की जानकारी देते हुए 150 शब्दों में एक अनुच्छेद लिखिए तथा विषय से संबंधित चित्र लगाइए। Now I am coming to your mathematics project. The topic of this project is pie chart. The following data shows different types of electronic gadgets used by middle class people per 10 families in their houses on an average in Delhi. You can see that different gadgets like Sony, Samsung, Redmi, LG and Whirlpool are shown here, and different numericals or numbers, which are number of families per 10 families, are given for respective companies or gadgets. To do this topic, first you have to work out the total number of families out of 10 families, for which you have to add these respective numbers and you will get 24 out of it. And then you have to work out a formula to work out the central angle of component. The formula is value of component divided by total value into 360 degree. Putting specific values on this formula, you will get central angle for each of the gadgets. Like for Sony, you will get 120 degree. For Samsung, you will get 105 degree. For Redmi, you will get 60 degree. For LG, it is 30 degree. And for Whirlpool, you will get 45 degree. And getting all the central angle for different gadgets, you will be able to draw a pie chart where different color shades are notifying different gadgets are shown here. Now we are coming to science project. The topic of this project is electric torch. We all use electric torch in our daily life. Draw an electric circuit of an electric torch with 2 cells and describe. So students, for drawing purpose you will use the left side of your project copy, and for the writing purpose you will use the ruled pages of the right side of your project copy. Now we are coming to social science. The topic is study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions on the basis of this graph. You can see on the y-axis of this column graph, number of satellites are taken, and along with the x-axis, names of the planets are taken. Different columns are representing different planets, and on top of each column are representing number of satellites that particular planet. Studying this graph, you are asked which planet has lowest number of satellites, name of the planet which has 15 satellites, which planet has highest number of satellites, how many planets have 16 satellites, and the last question is, on the given graph there are 2 planets which have equal number of satellites, name them. Now we are coming to a computer project. The topic is operating system. The first question, what you have to do, define operating system. Then you have to write the functions of the operating system. Then you have to draw or paste 5 logos of Windows based operating system and mention the year of releasing on the right side of your project file. Now we are coming to general knowledge. The topic is global warming is a serious threat to mankind. List 3 causes and 3 effects of global warming. Paste a relevant photo of it. So you will paste a relevant photo on the left side of your project copy and you will write the rest of the topic on the right side of your project copy. We are coming to the Sanskrit project right now. So there is a picture where different activities are shown, and in the bracket 5 different Sanskrit words are given. You are also given 5 different incomplete sentences. What you have to do, you have to choose the relevant words from the bracket and complete the sentences which will describe the picture in a meaningful way. Now we are coming to the bibliography page, or the last page of our project copy, where you have to write, to make all these projects I have taken help from internet as well as from the following books. Hope you have understood the project topics. The submission date will be notified later. Thank you.